screen, process is running, there's the tests I've already run that didn't record properly, because I've got, well, because it's just like, and so let's do it again. Okay, so let's have a look at the test directory. So we've got these messages, profiles and rooms are tests that are designed to test the code base from like as a single program running on its own, and then we have this any directories in here can contain multi node tests which will fire up. So here we've got two roles defined, person 1 and person 2, so the test harness will fire up an HC container, a holochain, whatever you want to call it, machine for each role, and then you've got this config, which I actually need to read the source code for because I don't know exactly what it does. It's to do with getting the containers to hang around long enough to hear each other over gossip. So that's that. So we can just run the test scenario. I should put in the bash completion for this. Back and forth. So this is the name of the directory inside the test directory. So we run that. You don't have to configure anything. The scripts read the contents of the directories and fire up a container for each test file in the role directory. So this is chugging along. Docker does its thing. That's it running. I'll take you through the output in just a second when we get there. So this is Docker. That's basically what this is doing, is building new Docker images from the current source in the repository, the local directory dot, taking down the network, the existing Docker network, and putting it back up again. So here we have the service chain. There are sort of 5 more or less machines that are in this cluster. You've got the service chain, which clones our holochain and seeds it for all of the HCs to use, cloning, testing. It also runs the test, the single node test, to make sure that what's being run in the containers actually passes its own tests. Here we've got the bootstrap server firing up here, so we've got a local the bootstrap server that's local to the network of the cluster for the tests, and here's one of the holochain machines firing up, and the other one will fire up somewhere else. The output order is non-deterministic from the different containers. And here's the other holochain server firing up. So what post-up is about is that the 2 holochain servers fire up and the scripts pause and they wait. I'm recording a video. This is Logan. And then the post-up server unlocks, thanks Josh, unlocks like within 10 milliseconds, make it quicker at the moment, within 10 milliseconds of this locking all of the tests start running. Blah, blah, this is the output from the tests, which is very exciting. A bit of bootstrap responding to being poked. Hello, darling. Give me 10 seconds. And yeah, the output of the test, and the tests all passed. And I'm pretty sure the first 2 tests required gossip to be working. That's very ninja.
Who are you speaking to?
Right, you understand what recording is, Logan. You're just trying to wind me up. It's not working. So you're going to be famous soon. All the people I'm working with are going to hear your voice. Anyway, so the output of the test, I'll post the output file. I'll see you later, guys. Yeah, there's a test that passed. I'm pretty sure that required gossip to be working. Jolly good, hooray. End of the video.